Well, with Hyper-V, 100%. VMware, there's some things that I do, because with VMware cluster environments, you'll get into, I think it's called vMotion. I'm actually VMware certified, but I haven't worked in VMware now for probably 3 or 4 years. But devices move around based on load balancing, and it's the whole point of having clustered environments, you know, high availability and everything else. I've had people do N-central in clustered environments via as a virtual machine in a Hyper-V cluster. So that can be done, and that essentially is highly available. So the important part here is we have monitoring for that as well, and that isn't essential for Hyper-V, but there is no what I would call VMware-based template. You actually have to kind of reconfigure things, and I'll tell you what I do. First of all, I use iDRAC or ILO monitoring for HP or Dell, specifically for hardware. I then disable all of the hardware monitoring on our VMware monitoring. Okay. As well, I will disable all of the VM monitoring on our VMware monitoring, if you're following along. So I don't want that, because I will actually put an agent on I'll actually build vCenter monitoring and get all of my agent, or I should say all of my VM monitoring from vCenter, right? And we can do both VMware host and vCenter as well. So regardless of where those VMs are going in terms of load balancing, or, you know, various reasons why VMs move around in a cluster, you can do both.